Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT and Canva. So head to apps and scroll down. So you see Canva, yeah. So just select Canva and you would see connect over there. Hit the connect button. That will take you straight to the sign in button, sign in page to Canva. So you can see the reference, memories and charts. Button over there, you can toggle it if you want. So click on sign in and it will take you to the connection page here. So these are the permissions, the things that ChatGPT can do. So there are various teams over here that I have joined with my account. So you can decide to join with your personal team or your personal account or any other team that you're on in Canva. So I'll just select a team right away and move on with it. So hit allow and wait for the connection to happen. So once you see that authorization message, come back to ChatGPT and open Canva. So you see start chat over there. That is one way to start designing on ChatGPT with Canva. Or the another way is just starting a chat and then go to click on the plus button, then go to more. So you see Canva over there. That means it's been connected. So you can select that one. So now we are going to give it a prompt. Okay, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just gonna give it a simple prompt. Okay, but if you want a more detailed design, you have to give it a precise prompt to get you that ideal design that you want. So just gonna give it something simple and hit generate. It's giving me some options over here. Let's see the outcome. So it's giving me 4 options. I think I like the first one. Yeah, let's see what we can do with it. So you see open with Canva. So just click on that and your design will be opened in Canva in the accounts that you connected. So now we are in Canva and amazingly everything here can be edited. Okay, they're all layers, the text, the pictures, the colors, everything. That is amazing. So this has made design so simple, and you can actually change the layers over there. So this is just one way to connect Canva and ChatGPT. I'm gonna show you how to connect Claude and Canva as well. So stay tuned for that.